Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create glowing text with fade in and fade out effects on the CapCut apps. So here what you need to do is just get your clips ready and then go to text and add your text. Okay. Then choose your favorite font, adjust the size and also the position. Go to style, click on the glow, choose the first one and adjust the intensity to 20 and the range 35. Now click on shadow and choose the black color. Okay. Now click on the animation and add the fade in under the in category. Fade in and adjust it to 0.5 seconds. Click on the out and now add the fade out and also adjust it to 0.5 seconds. Click on the check icon. Now add a keyframe at the start and at the end of the text. Now on the last keyframe here, zoom in the text. Okay, add a keyframe and zoom it in. So the text will now look like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.